Crocs, Mr. Pitts here with today's math lesson. We're going to be working today on 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication, and we're going to start with the word problem. The kids in Mr. Gill's class are going to paint a mural in the hallway by the office. The wall is 8 feet high and 23 feet long. How many square feet is the wall they're going to paint? So when we're talking about the square footage of this wall, we're talking about the area of the wall. And if you remember back to finding area, we multiplied the length and the width. And so our problem is going to be 23 times 8. And so what we're going to have you guys do today is we're going to have you draw a quick sketch of an area model. And then we're going to use that area model to help us solve the problem. So if we have 8 times 23, and we were to quick sketch it, I would put my 8, my smaller number, on the side, and I have 8 dots to represent the 8 feet. And I took 23 and I separated it into 20 and 3. And I showed my 20 by putting a line, a full line, so 2 groups of 10, and then 3 dots for the 3. And then I drew my rectangle inside here. Okay? And so if you look at the problem, you'll see that 8 times 20, so 8 times 20 is 160. Put our 160 here. And 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. And then we would add them together, and 160 plus 24 would give us 184 square feet. Okay? So when you're looking at multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1 digit, you really need to be thinking about how, yes, this 3 here is in the ones, so really this is 8 times 3, but this 2 doesn't necessarily represent 2, it represents 20, because it's in the tens place, right? So 8 times 20 and 8 times 3 would give you a total of 184 square feet. So let's look at the same, a different problem. This one's not a word problem, but we're using the same type of strategy. So we have 6 times 26. So we do our quick sketch. I do my 6 dots to represent the 6. I give myself a straight long line to represent my 2 groups of 10 for 20. And then I do my 6 dots to represent the 6. So 20 and 6 gives me 20 and 6, so it's represented here. And you can see that I actually wrote down the problems here. So 6 times 20 is 120. 6 times 20 is 120. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. And then, like we did with our area models, we're adding them together, and 120 plus 36 would give me 156. Okay? This is the strategy we're going to be using today and tomorrow. Thank you.